Hello friends, welcome to EduPanther. Now in last lecture we solved question number 1, 2 and 3. Now in this lecture we will be solving question number 4 and 5. So what is question number 4? Question number 4 is what? The diagram shows two forces F1, this is F1 and F2. There is 3 Newton acting at a point A and B of a rod pivoted at a point O. So this rod is pivoted at a point O and there are two forces acting on two different points A and B. At A we have a force of 5 Newton, at B we have a force of 3 Newton. And the point of distance of A from the O is 2 meter and the distance of B from this pivoted point is what? 4 meter. Now what is to be found? Calculate the moment of force F1 about O. So we have to find out moment of force due to this force F1 about this point O. So what will be the turning effect? Means what? Say this force is what? This force is downward F1. So what happens when this force applies on this 5 Newton at point O A? So it will rotate like this and this is a pivoted point. So what will happen? This will rotate like this. So the motion will be what? Anti-clockwise. So we know that the rotation due to this F1 will be anti-clockwise. And similarly for F2 it will be simply downward. So this is my pivoted point. So it will rotate like this. So the motion will be what? It will be clockwise. Now calculate the moment of force due to these two forces F1 and F2 and what will be the total force, total moment of force because of these two forces. Okay, so let's start. First one. Now first one is what? Moment of force. So what is the formula? Moment of force is nothing but force into the distance. Distance in this case will be AO because this is the pivoted point and this is the A. So and force is F1. So 5 into the distance 2. So that will be 10 Newton meter. See, always write the units in your answer. Otherwise you can lose your marks. Next. So this is the moment of force due to the first one. First one means that is F1. Next is what? Moment of force. Moment of force due to F2. F2 hai, so we'll use F2 into that distance. And the distance is what? OB. OB is 4 meters. So this is 3 Newton and this is what? 4 meters. So 3 4s are 12 Newton meter. Now as we discuss these distances or this moments will be what? Clockwise and anti-clockwise. So this is first one due to first one. So it was my anti-clockwise. So we'll write here anti-clockwise. And here it is because of the F2. So this is clockwise. Okay. Now the next part. Last part is what? The total moment of force of two forces about O. So we have to find a total. So total of this will be what? Simply we can say that resultant or total moment of force. Now see, anti-clockwise moment is always taken as positive and clockwise taken as negative. So anti-clockwise this is 10 minus clockwise is taken as negative. So 12 minus 12. So 10 minus 12 will be what? It will be simply minus 2 Newton meter. So this will be the resultant moment of force. This will be the resultant moment of force because of these two forces. Now see this can, so what will be the resultant? You can write like this also. Resultant moment of force is what? 2 Newton meter clockwise. 2 Newton meter clockwise. See, either you can write minus 2 Newton meter. So that minus indicates that the turning effect is what? In clockwise direction. Jo turn hoga that will be in clockwise direction. And the second is what? This is 2 Newton meter or clockwise. So no need to write this minus sign. Okay, now we can move to the next question. Question number 5 is two forces each of magnitude 10 Newton act vertically upwards and downwards respectively at the two ends of A and B of a uniform rod of length 4 meter which is pivoted at its midpoint O. So we have this rod. there are two forces acting on this rod. One force is at F1, at A, that is 10 Newton, and at B again we have a 10 Newton, and this rod is pivoted at a point, at a midpoint. So definitely if this total length of the rod is 4 meter, so the midpoint will be what, exactly at 2 meters. So we can say that this A is at a distance of 2 meter from the point O, and same as this one, that is B. Now what we have to find out? Determine the magnitude of the resultant moment of forces about the pivoted point. So we have to find out the resultant moment of force. So again we will find out the moment of force due to these two forces. Let's say this is force F1, or you can say FA, because it is acting on A, and let's say this is the force FB, which is acting at a point B. Okay, so now moment of force, let's say due to FA. So what is the formula? It is the force into perpendicular distance. So force is what, FA, and the perpendicular distance will be what, A to O distance. The total is 4 meters, so this will be only 2 meter. So that is AO. The value of this force is 10, and AO is what, nothing but 2. So 10 2s are 20. So 20 Newton meter. Now decide whether it is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. So see, this is a pen, or you can say that rod, the force, this is a pivoted point, means this point is what, fixed, and what we are doing, we are applying force in upward direction. So this will rotate like this. So the motion will be what, in a clockwise direction. So this is clockwise direction, or you can write it as minus 20 Newton meter. Now second is what? Moment of a force due to the second force, that is FB, or at a B. So the magnitude of the force into the perpendicular distance. So again it will be 2 meter, and that is OB in this case. So this is 10 Newton. OB is what, 2 meter. No need to write this unit. So this is 20 what, Newton meter. And it will be definitely, see, this is a pivoted point and the force is acting in downward direction, so it will rotate like this. So this will be clockwise. So both are in clockwise direction. Now the resultant is moment of force. Resultant moment of force will be what? It will simply these two forces, these two moment of force. So 20, see, this is minus 20. Why? Because it is clockwise direction, and clockwise is negative. This is also minus 20, so minus 20. So this will be minus 40 Newton meter. Hence your answer will be what? It will be simply resultant moment of force, and that is 40 Newton meter. Minus sign indicates that it will be in a clockwise direction. Okay, so that's it for question number 5. So we have solved this question number 4 and question number 5. Now अब अगर इसके PDF नोट्स चाहिए आपको, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में ईमेल आईडी दी हुई है, आप मुझे उसके ऊपर मैसेज कर दो, मैं उनको PDF कॉपीज इसकी सेंड कर दूंगा. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट सेशन वी विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व सम मोर न्यूमेरिकल्स. थैंक यू.